Is your Epic Games library hidden away and difficult to access? In this helpful video, I'll show you how to easily display your game library on a PC. By the end of this short tutorial, you'll be able to quickly and easily find all of your installed games. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. First of all, open up the Epic Games launcher and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, at the bottom left of the screen, click on Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, remove the checkmark for this. Hide Game Library. Once you remove the checkmark, go back and, as you can see now, I have the library option right here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.